live in a debt society, okay? And being able to have good credit, which means you are a trusted consumer, is extremely important. I would rather have an 800 credit score and $200,000 than have $1 million and a 400 credit score.
Yeah.
That's how important having credit is, guys.
There's a slogan that says, America runs on Dunkin'. No, America runs on credit. Literally, because literally, guys,
100%.
Your whole life, if you're not going to be, I want to say, in the system, you're going to need credit at least sometime or another. So, guys, understand credit is very important to your success. Even as a business owner, you're going to need credit. All right, third card. We have here...
All the richest people, none of them ever use cash or debit cards, bro.
And if
they all use credit cards.
And if they did at one point, they're smart enough and say, you know what?
Yeah.
It's a waste. Let me get credit.
Even Dave Ramsey, guaranteed he's using credit cards. He tells you all the time, hey, don't get a debt, blah, blah, blah. Bro, he's using credit cards. Trust me.
But for the average person, though, I see why he says that.
He does it because
they don't pay back on time, and then they get into more debt, and they get issues, and then,
They're idiots. But if you're watching this podcast, you're a higher IQ individual. If you're watching our shit already and you can see through the bullshit and the clips and people trying to make us look like crazy misogynists, whatever, and you're here watching us, I already know for a fact that you don't go with the social narrative.